Hello friends, my name is Miss Vanessa. For you guys who don't know me, I am a librarian at the Orland Park Public Library, and I want to welcome you guys to my kitchen. So like a lot of you guys at home right now, I am also practicing sheltering in place because right now it's safer for us to be at home. And since I can't be out there and I can't see you guys at the library, I thought that it would be a fun idea to check in with you guys a couple times a week so that we can do fun sciencey activities together with things that you already have in your house. So I had this dilemma and I was thinking about how I really wanted ice cream. But unfortunately I don't have any at home and it's not as easy as me driving to the store and picking up ice cream anymore. So I thought that it would be fun for us to work on that together and do it with things that we probably already have at home. So I'm going to walk you guys through the steps. All right, to start off, we are going to need one small baggie and one large baggie. So I'm going to start with our small baggie, and we have to add 1 cup of half and half to this. So half and half is something your parents might have at home for their coffee or for cooking. So I'm going to add my 1 cup of half and half. So my 1 cup. And here's our baggie. There's our baggie of half and half. Now next I'm going to need 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. So I have just regular sugar here, and we're going to take our tablespoon and add 2 of these to our baggie. Got 1. Alright, so we have our baggie here, we have our cream, we have our sugar, and the next thing we're going to need is vanilla extract. And we're going to need a half a tablespoon of that. So I'm going to add 1/2, uh-oh, I'm making a little bit of a mess. So I added that to our baggie, and what that's going to do is it's going to give our ice cream its ice cream taste. So at this point, if you want to add something to your ice cream, so if you want to make it chocolate ice cream, you can add chocolate syrup. If you want to make it fruit ice cream, you can add your fruit. So I love chocolate, so I'm going to add some chocolate. That should be good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to seal my baggie so that it doesn't have any air left in it. Alright, so I have this and I'm going to put it to the side. Okay, so now that we have our ice cream concoction set to the side, I'm going to take our bigger baggie right here, make some room in there, and we're going to add 3 cups of ice. So I already set it aside for us. Here's my 3 cups of ice, and I'm going to add that to my baggie. Alright, there's a whole bunch of ice in there. So here I have 1/3 cup of sodium chloride. And don't worry, I didn't have to go to a laboratory to find sodium chloride. It's actually just table salt. That's the scientific name for salt. So why do we think we would be adding salt to our ice? So when you add salt, it actually breaks up the sodium and the chloride molecules, and they seep into the ice, and it lowers the freezing temperature of water. So it's going to melt our ice faster, and it's going to make our ice cream colder faster. So I'm going to add my salt to my ice. Now, I have salty ice, and I have my concoction over here. So I'm gonna add this to our bigger bag, and I'm gonna let all the air out and close it up. So if you still have your winter gloves available to you, I would go get those right now, because I don't want your fingers to freeze and I don't want my fingers to freeze. So I'm gonna put on my gloves, and here comes the fun part. We're gonna shake this bag for 10 minutes. All right, so Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
All right, so we're gonna shake. All right, I'm about halfway through shaking, and I can already feel my ice cream getting heavier. Alexa, stop timer. All right, so it's been 10 minutes, and I really want to see what we've come up with. So take off my gloves and open their bag. Look at that, frozen solid. All right, so my ice cream's all done, and I'm gonna add it to my bowl. All right, and here's my ice cream. It's all ready to eat. So good. I hope you guys try this at home. And make sure to keep an eye out for other stuff that we can do together from home. I'll see you guys soon.